Hi everyone, my name's Itamar and today we're going to be talking about video production. So once you've already developed the strategy and the ideas of the types of videos you want to create, we now need to think about how we're going to actually produce this video content and get it rolling. So what we need to do here is be really critical about the types of equipment that we purchase. So there's multiple bits of equipment that if you want to create professional looking videos for your business that you will need to invest a bit of money into. And I'll go over the costs a bit later and it might not be what you think. So first of all, when we're talking about video equipment, the first thing you're going to need obviously is a video camera. And there's plenty of video cameras on the market, and there's loads and loads of big brands like Sony, Panasonic, etc. Loads and loads of different video cameras you can choose. And I think the really good ones are the ones that will have the capabilities of 4K, for example, that will have good zoom and very good lens. And I mean, what you can do really is just review different ones, even go on YouTube, look at different comparisons and tests, and then you can make your decisions for the video cameras. And the same can be said about microphones as well. So there's plenty of different microphones on the market. You can have ones that connect straight to USBs. You can have ones that you can kind of directly plug into your camera, your video camera, as we do here. For example, we've got a mic cable that plugs directly into the camera, and there's loads of other different mics you can have. You can have conference microphones as well and things like that. So you've got the video camera, you've got your microphone. The next thing you need is a tripod, and tripods are very important when we're talking about stability of video content and making it look very professional, because that's what we want. Because no matter how much somebody can claim that if they hold up a video camera and their hands won't shake much, their hands will shake a lot. So get a tripod. You'll be able to actually adjust the height of the video that you're using, and it's just overall a very good investment to have a tripod that you can mount your video camera to. The next thing that we want, and you can say that it's a nice to have, but actually it is very crucial to the whole professionalism look, is having some kind of green screen or a backdrop, as we have here with this yellow. And the reason why this is important as well is not just because it's a bright color, and well, yellow for example, it's a nice bright color and it matches very well when we've got people in front of it, but also it can be used to be able to actually overlay, and when you're video editing much later on, you could actually potentially have it as a green screen and be able to kind of do some crazy editing and put yourself in different places and whatnot. But green screens and backdrops like this are very useful if you are trying to get the professional look. And I suppose when you combine these pieces of equipment together, you do have a great solid foundation for creating professional video content. And I mentioned before that I was going to talk about the costs, and you'd be surprised actually that all of the equipment combined shouldn't really cost you more than £1,000 really. It should actually be much cheaper than that. And the reason for this is because the market is so saturated with different types of video cameras and microphones, tripods, backdrops. So really the costs don't add up too much. So you're not going to be breaking the bank if you do want to invest in this equipment. And I suppose this is the great thing, that anyone really is able to get into video content creation, but also now you'll be able to get the right equipment for the production of your video content. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.